Hello, dear souls. Love hurts when you break up. Love hurts when you break up with someone. Love hurts even more when she breaks up with you, my baby. But love hurts the most when you're not able to tell the person whom you love in your life, my dear. You love somebody and then you don't love them anymore. But if you really love somebody, you always love them, my dear. Don't you? Is not always some small part of you that still reads their horoscope in the paper every day. I am scared of what I saw, my dear. I am scared of what I did, of who I am, and the most of all, I am scared of walking out of this room and never feeling the rest of my whole life the way I feel when I am with you. I searched, I searched through books and I leafed through cards for words that would convey what I had in my heart. But when I sat down to write, all I can write was, I can't live without you. Touching lines by a true lover, even even though you never loved me. But I always kept smiling because I did not want people to blame you is a reason, is a reason behind my tears, my dear sweetheart.